going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Got a bunch more content coming up on this truck, and as the previous video said, maybe another newer truck. We'll see. Just want to do a little drive with you all. Go down in the country a little bit, and then go home. On my way home. Now we get 40 where we should be doing 50. Oh, what a trip. Oh, look at that. I'm going to pass. On a double line. Didn't see broken lines there, but hey, you get hit, it's on you. In a hurry, go nowhere. We're in a hurry earlier, though. Of course, this person's going to slow her molasses, but what do you expect? People around here are not very bright. Pretty sure my exhaust is getting ready to stupid hanger. As far as MBRP's exhaust, great exhaust. The hang tight, patent pending clamp, ditch it. It's stupid. You made it too long, number one. So when you put it in, just like the picture and description says in the instructions, eventually it slides through the stupid rubber isolator, and bam, 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 it clanks and clangs against the frame, and it'll drive you insane. So MBRP, ditch that shit. It's stupid. Just put a regular clamp on there and shorten it up a little bit, about 1.5 inches or so, and you'll be good. What is this person doing? Sightseeing? 47 and a 50. My gosh. I hope they're not going where I'm going. I'm sure they are. But anyway, guys, it's good exhaust except for that. That stupid hang tight, I think I'm going to cut it off tonight. I don't know. It's irritating. It'll drive you insane. But maybe that was the point of it. I don't know. The point of this person is just to irritate the crap out of me, I guess. Now we're finally doing 50. Barely. Nope, 48. La-di-da. Anywho, am thinking about looking at a newer truck. I don't know. On one hand, this truck's almost got 76,000 miles, almost 9-10 years old. Done well. Could I start having issues? Absolutely. Could it last me another 9 years? Possibly. Have I done everything I can to prevent those issues? Hopefully. But if I get the newer truck, then you got a whole nother bag of issues with the dynamic fuel management, because active fuel management wasn't bad enough, and the 10-speed transmissions and electrical issues and other stuff and whatever. So I don't know. I really don't know. It's good and bad with both, whichever decision. I don't know. Don't want payments. Be nice to have a few years of warranty, at least. And maybe even more, depending on how much the extended warranty would cost. But if it's only another $9,000 or $10,000 after trade-in from this, or $12,000, maybe it's worth it. The truck has 44,000 miles. Haven't seen it yet. Don't know what kind of shape it's in. Don't know how the last owner took care of it. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, that thing could take a dump on me day one. And yeah, powertrain and all that's under warranty, but I don't know. different for the channel, be new. But I still had other stuff I wanted to do this that I haven't been able to do yet. So I don't know. Anyway, I do have more content if I do keep this truck. If I do get a newer truck, you'll be the first to know because you'll see it on this channel. Yeah, I'd start doing content on that, do an introduction and all that, and yeah, you know, be good to go. I'm turning around because I can't take much more of this person. They are just days one long here, and I'm not doing it today. And I'm sure the exhaust will do its magic. Yeah, I like this truck a lot. Been through a lot with it. One thing I can say about the truck, it's never left me on the side of the road. So there's that. But I don't know. Got some more videos to do with the pedal commander. I've had it turned off lately because of the P2138 or whatever code that was. It only happened when it was on. The P0420 code was a upstream O2 sensor. But it seems like it's been 3-4 days, 5 days since that's been replaced. And that was faulty. Didn't say anything else on the other ones. When I had them do the fuel injection cleaning, clean the fuel injectors and all, when they did the induction on those, forced induction on the injectors, maybe that something got caught up in one of the O2 sensors, I guess. So, you know, not too bad. Yeah, I don't know. But got some different badge and all. To be honest, unless they really wow me with this other truck, and it's exactly what I want, I test drive it and fall in love with it or something, and just wows me to no end, and they throw in some sweeteners, probably honestly just going to keep this truck. Because the wife needs a new truck. Hers is 15 years old now and almost 200,000 miles. 167,000 miles, which ain't too bad for the year it is. So honestly, whatever happens with this, probably just fix or replace it. And eventually I want to do a DOD delete on this truck anyway. This newer truck is enticing, to say the least. So we will see. But a ton of more stuff that I want to do this, I don't know. I'm torn, because I really want to keep this one. And I've gotten to know this truck very well, and there's more stuff I want to do. Some shock and suspension upgrades from what I have on here now. And maybe another exhaust system, etc. But at the same time, if I can get a newer truck with a massive upgraded warranty, more power, more mods out there for the truck possibly, and different style and all. It's still a good truck. I might do that as well. I don't know. I'm probably at least going to do my due diligence and go check the truck out and drive it and see what I think, but I don't know. I'm torn because this truck's been good to me. It's had minor issues. It hasn't anything major, thank God. I gotta say that. So, I don't know. But we will see how it goes and go from there. So, hope y'all enjoyed the content. Love y'all. Once we hit 100, doing a free giveaway. Love y'all. Peace out.